Hello everyone, welcome back to Banking and Crypto Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to log in to Fortiva Credit Card Account. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. To log into your Fortiva credit card account, open up a web browser of your choice. In the URL box, type in www.myfortiva.com and press enter on your keyboard. You'll find yourself in the official site of Fortiva. Fortiva credit card is an unsecured credit card for people with bad credits. There's no minimum credit score and no security deposit needed. So, to log into your Fortiva credit card, you'll need to go ahead and type in your login credentials on the right hand side of the screen. If you've not enrolled for Fortiva yet, click on Not Enrolled, Sign Up Now link and follow the registration process. If you already have an account, go ahead and enter your username in the first text box and type in your password on the next field. You can double check your password by clicking on this show link or the eye icon at the right corner. If you'd like the system to remember your credentials, check on this box that says Remember Me. But if you're using a public or a shared device, make sure to leave the box unchecked before logging in. If you've forgotten your username or your password, click on Forgot Password or Username link beneath the Sign In button. After typing in your credentials correct and you'd like to log in, click the Sign In button and you should be able to get access to your myfortiva.com credit card account. That is how it can be done. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.